I'm Ernie Fear. I'm one of the coaches here at Llanarn RFC. I'm currently coaching the under-8s. Yeah, I first got involved in the club about 3 years ago. I brought my boy down to play rugby. They were a bit short on coaches, so I offered to help out, and my role sort of got bigger and bigger from there. Really, before I knew it, I was one of the main coaches. Last year we were lucky enough to get funding. With the money we received, it enabled us to send myself and a couple of other coaches from the junior mini section to do a WRU level 1 coaching course.
My son got involved in an early age, so I felt as an ex-player to help him out as well and to give something back into rugby as well, and basically got dragged into it. The funding we've received has enabled myself to do my level 2 course. This has had a knock-on effect then with the children and helped progress them as well as myself.
As a safeguarding officer, we can't have anyone who's unqualified. We can have volunteers, but those volunteers have then got to be supervised. So once somebody is qualified, it means it releases other people to go off and do other age groups, and releases myself not to have to be a babysitter, if you like.
When we first started, it was like herding cats. They didn't know what rugby was. As they're getting older now, they're starting to get the hang of rugby and they're starting to understand what rugby's all about. So it's good to see their faces when they start passing the ball about, and the game they're playing now actually resembles rugby.
We've been able to integrate the under-6s, our dairy tots, because of the funding that we've been getting. We haven't had to go chasing parents for money, which is a great relief, and we've managed to get more and more qualified coaches, which more qualified coaches means better rugby players and happier children.
I like playing rugby because I like tackling and scoring tries.
I love rugby because it's fun. I love rugby because it's so sporty and I love playing with my friends. I love rugby because it's fun and it's really sporty, and I'm very good at scoring tries and doing side steps.
I love rugby because it's fun and you get to spend more times with your friends.
We've got good numbers going right the way through from dairy tots, under-6s. I think they've got 30 plus on their books, coming right up to our under-15s going into next year. So we've got a strong, especially lower down now, we've strong numbers all the way through.
At the end of the day, the kids playing today are the ones we want to be playing for our youth, our second, our senior teams in the future. So the funding we've received, hopefully, will go towards making better players for Llanarn RFC in the future, which will hopefully safeguard the future of the club.